Hello, this is Raina with Lilo Crafts, and today I am excited to share how I am using little bits of lace or scraps of lace as well as some scraps of fabric. And it is so easy, and I think it is just so effective. As you can see here, I've got a little bit of lace and I've got a stapler, and that's all you really need. But if you are like me and you have a drawer of these, you can get those out and use those on these projects. So let's just make a quick one together, and then I'll show you the ones that I've already made and then some that I've already added to projects because I thought they were so pretty and I just couldn't wait to put them on things. Okay, so what I am doing on this lace is folding the back behind just a little bit, and then I'm gonna weave it, so I'm bending it over like a fold. So there you go. And the more you work with your lace will remember what it needs to do. So that's one fold, and then I'm gonna make another fold so that or a pleat, right? So it's just two pleats. And then I'm going to wrap this around the back, okay? And I'm gonna cut it off. Okay, so let's do that again. So I'm gonna fold this behind. Now, if your lace looks pretty on the end and you don't mind, then go for it. I have some that I left like that, but on this one, I just think it's so pretty to turn it behind because it's really such a delicate piece of lace. So I'm gonna make one fold to the middle, and then I'm gonna make another fold, but I'm gonna make it over just a little bit. So not all the way to the front. See, can you see that? There's one, two, three little bumps. And then I'm gonna take this one and I am gonna wrap it behind, okay? And then you're just gonna take your little stapler. This is a perfect time to use your tiny attacher as well. And you're just gonna make one staple. Now, I want this to seem a little more eerie, so I'm gonna cut off a little bit more of this lace from behind, and I will save that because this lace is gorgeous. So that's all there is to it. Isn't that so pretty though? Then I made this one, and these I already put little embellishments on. But here, let me show you all of these. Okay, so here is that lace that we just made right here. This is a coffee dyed index card. I inked around the edges. I just used a scrap piece of paper and I topped it with this iridescent bow. Right? Oh, I just LOVE this. Oh my gosh, I just think it is so pretty. Okay, here's another one. This one I used on a coffee dyed bag, and you can see here's the lace, and I topped it this time with a vintage button. And what I did down here, this is embossed coffee dyed paper that I inked over the top with white ink. It's like a pearlescent ink. And so this weights it down. So now you can put anything you want inside this bag like that, but it is nicely weighted down with that. So it would look so great in your journal or as a present, right? Wouldn't that be such a beautiful way to package Happy Mail? Okay, then I've got this envelope where I went ahead and used fabric. Right, so this is the same thing. This is an envelope made out of a book page, and I've stitched around it, and then I tied just a simple little bow from velvet vintage ribbon, and I hot glued that on top of that. I think that's just the perfect closure for this gorgeous envelope. Okay, so that's example number 3. Okay, number 4, I've got a library card. I have a bazillion of these library cards, you guys. I bought like a whole box of them from a thrift store, so I want to use them. So I have coffee dyed this, and then I inked around it. Then I had white lace, and I just hit it with a little bit of vintage photo on my little inker. And I attached this iridescent blue bow. So it's just like this clear one, So it has a little bit of that iridescent, and that even reminds me of like vintage glass. I don't know about you, but I think that is truly beautiful. Okay, and then I've got this sweet one. Right, so this one I didn't actually bundle up as much. I just cut two little pieces of the lace out and I hot glued them on top of each other or Fabri-Tac them. Then I made a light pink organza double bow. So you can see here are the tails. And then I put this sweet little rhinestone flower in the middle. I love the way this index card turned out. And so, you know, you can put things on the side too. They don't always, I like to put things on the left corner. So I was really trying to challenge myself to put things in different places. And then I've got this one. So this one is made with a masterboard, this tag, and this is just a little bit of fabric. And this time I didn't want the staple showing, so what I did was I just hot glued those things in place. And I think this green and white stripe picks up so beautiful in these colors. I think it'd be great for like a fall journal or to put on a package for like a man because it's masculine. So I think these turned out so fun and they are super easy to make. I hope you will try this. I really do. So if you've made it this far in the video, I thank you so very, very much. And this video has a hidden giveaway. And so all you need to do is let me know which one you like the best. And I would be thrilled to send it to you and probably a couple other surprise goodies along with it. Now, all you've got to do is be a subscriber to my channel, like the video, and of course, you've got to comment on which one you like the best. Please don't put giveaway or secret word or anything like that because I really want this to be for those who are really watching my channel and watching my videos. And you must be 18 years of age or older, and this is US only. Okay, I will put a link to Cori's channel because she is the one that hosts the Little Bits of Lace Challenge. And I so appreciate you spending time with me today, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.